Hello class, I just wanted to explain something real quick regarding this week's weekly report. So I'm gonna go here to homework 3. So I need you to complete lab 3. However, before you complete lab 3, please go to module 1 and watch the video of managing software. Just watch this video first, or read the presentation, whichever of the two you find more useful to you. The presentation is available here, right? So you go on the video and you can go right here on the video description, and you can either read the presentation or watch the video. I would recommend to watch the video because I explain everything in the video, and then go and do the lab like in this instead of doing it this way, because there are things in the lab that reference that presentation. So if you don't watch the video first, you might find yourself lost. um, then you complete the discussion board, the history of the bash shell, and for this report for week 3, there are a couple of things that I want you to include here. For the desktop environment, it's all bulleted points that you're gonna create, and a couple of definitions, 2 definitions to be exactly. For the bash shell, just do this A to D. What is a shell, its definition, examples of different shells. You just have to list them. Bullet lists is fine. Some of the shortcuts that you learn about bash, a couple of them is fine, like between 10 and 5 is good. And a list of the commands that you learned in the last class. You can find it at the end of the presentation of what is a shell. And then for managing software, I want you to focus on these things over here, and include this screenshot, please. This is how to update Ubuntu with all its explanation. So it is right over here. I want you to include this screenshot. I want you to include it because it's very important to remember this. And then if you can include a couple of these examples as well. This is gonna be very useful to you during your lab, especially this screenshot. If you can include it in your report, it will be very useful to you. Then finally, there is something that I want you to do with your GitHub repo. Throughout the semester, I'm gonna be giving you cheat sheets that I want you to place in your. This cheat sheet for this one can be accessed by clicking on that link in the presentation. Save the file, yes, and then I want you to go to your GitHub repository right here. Then create a folder here called cheat sheets. And then here is where you're gonna put all the cheat sheets that I'm gonna be giving you throughout the semester. So we're gonna click on open over here and we're gonna copy this. Right, let me just open it to show you. And we're gonna paste it right here. Home CIS 106 cheat sheets and paste. And now from here, CIS 106 and Spring 22, let's open a terminal and let's push these changes. So let's do a git add period git commit -m cheat sheet, and then git push. Done. Right, and now those cheat sheets are available to you for you on GitHub. Right, so make sure that you do this because again, like I said, I'm gonna be giving you more cheat sheets as we explore more commands throughout the semester. That is it. If you have any questions, reach out to me in Slack.